There's so many videos about how to make 10K per month that tell you to go do the latest trend of like drop shipping or affiliate marketing, and I think that is terrible advice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look inside yourself to figure out the business idea that is going to be the most enjoyable and thus sustainable for you so that you can easily hit your goal of 10K per month and beyond. First of all, it's important to know that businesses are centered around people, not products. So the first decision is for you to decide who you want to serve. Who do you want to have as a customer? Who do you actually enjoy being around and share the same interests and values with? That is the best person to make your customer. Next, you have to think about what does that person need? What problems do they have that they are trying to solve? And then make a list of what are you great at? What are the skills that you have? What results or outcomes could you get for somebody today? Now, if you can find the intersection between the person that you would love to serve and a problem they have and something you are great at fixing, you have found your business idea. Of course, you can take that to 10K per month. You can take that way beyond. And all these other ideas where it's a hot money-making trend, you know if you do that, you're just gonna do it for a few months and quit, and you're gonna be back on YouTube looking for the next thing. Instead, imagine yourself waking up excited to serve the client that you love being around, helping them with a real problem they have in their life, and getting them results because you are great at what you do. Can you see how it would be pretty easy to scale that to 10K per month? For me, I love working with coaches and consultants. That's the type of person that I like to just be around the most. One challenge they have is they want to publish books to grow their brand, grow their coaching business, get more clients. Publishing a book is something that I've done 2 times over successfully, and I've brought in multiple 6 figures in client revenue from each book. So that's why I decided to make my main offer helping coaches publish books to grow their businesses. Lastly, it's important to mention that I also have a premium priced program. If you want to work with me one-on-one and I hold your hand and help you with every aspect of getting the book conceptualized, written, and published. Currently, I charge around 5K in order to deliver that. I only have to get 2 clients per month in order to hit the 10K goal. Ultimately, you're going to want to create a premium priced program that makes hitting your goal of 10K a lot easier, while of course, adding way more value in the program than you actually charge. I hope that helps, and if talking about writing a book has got you interested in that idea, check this video out where I talk about the 10 surprising benefits that you will get from writing a book. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.